Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Iman, where learning English is easy and practical. I'm so happy you're here with us today.
Hi, everyone. It's really nice to be back again. How are you feeling this evening, Iman?
I'm feeling a little tired today. It's around 7 p.m. now, and I can really feel that the day is almost over.
I know exactly what you mean. Evenings have this special calm feeling. You're done with work, but it's not time to sleep yet. It's that quiet time in between.
Yes, the sky is getting darker, everything slows down, and you just want to take a deep breath.
I totally agree. Sometimes I get home and I just think, okay, that's enough for today.
That's such a good sentence. Saying that's enough for today really describes the feeling perfectly.
Exactly. And that actually connects really well to our topic.
Yes, today we're going to talk about our evening routine.
That's right. In this episode, you'll learn how to describe your evening in natural English.
We'll share what we usually do after work, how we relax, and how we prepare for bed.
And you'll pick up useful time expressions and daily routine verbs to use in your own life.
Before we get started, if you enjoy learning English with us, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
And give this video a like. It really supports us and helps more people find our lessons.
You can also share this episode with a friend who wants to improve their English.
Okay, let's start from the very beginning of the evening.
Sure, so I usually finish work around 5:30 p.m. and I get home at about 6 p.m.
That's a common time for many people.
Yes, when I get home, the first thing I do is take off my shoes and put my bag down. That simple action really makes me feel at home.
I do the same. I also change my clothes right away. I just can't relax in my work clothes.
Exactly. I usually change into a t-shirt and soft pants. It's so much more comfortable.
Small changes like that really help your mind switch from work to home.
Right. After that, I usually go to the kitchen and drink a glass of water. Sometimes I'm really thirsty because I forget to drink during the day.
I totally understand. And then, what do you usually do after that?
I sit on the sofa for a few minutes. I don't turn on the TV right away. I just sit quietly and breathe. It's my little pause before dinner.
That sounds so peaceful. I do something similar. After I get home, I check my messages for a few minutes.
Do you check work messages or personal ones?
Mostly personal. I try to avoid work emails in the evening because I don't want to feel stressed again.
That's a very good habit. I sometimes scroll through my phone too, but I try to do it only for a few minutes.
Yes, scrolling is fine, but too much can feel like wasted time.
Exactly. Around 6:30 or 7 p.m., I start thinking about dinner.
Do you cook every evening?
Most evenings, yes. Around 7 p.m., I go to the kitchen and prepare dinner.
What kind of meals do you usually cook?
Simple ones. Sometimes rice with vegetables, pasta, or chicken with salad. If I'm tired, I pick something quick.
That's very realistic. After a long day, nobody wants to spend hours in the kitchen.
Exactly. While I cook, I often turn on soft music. It makes cooking more enjoyable and helps me relax.
I do the same. Sometimes I listen to a podcast while preparing dinner.
What time do you usually eat?
Around 7:30 or 8 p.m., depending on how hungry I am.
That sounds perfect. After dinner, I clean up the kitchen right away. It only takes 10 or 15 minutes, and I feel much better after that.
Yes, cleaning up immediately is a good habit. It stops stress from building later.
Later in the evening, around 8:30 p.m., I usually move to the living room. I might watch one episode of a series or read a book.
I also like reading before bed. It helps me slow down and relax.
Around 9:30 p.m., I prepare for the next day by checking my schedule and choosing my clothes.
That's very organized. It makes the morning easier and calmer.
Around 10:30 or 11 p.m., I brush my face, brush my teeth, and change into pajamas. Then I get into bed, sometimes scrolling on my phone for a few minutes.
That's normal. Many people do that.
But I try to turn off my phone around 11 p.m. Then I switch off the lights and relax completely.
That sounds like a very calm evening routine.
Now, let's do a full role play where I describe my evening from start to finish.
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay, I usually finish work around 5:30 p.m. and get home at 6 p.m. I take off my shoes and change into comfortable clothes. I drink some water and sit quietly for a few minutes to relax. Around 7 p.m., I start preparing dinner. While cooking, I turn on soft music to help me unwind. I eat dinner around 7:30 p.m., and then I clean up the kitchen. Later, around 8:30 p.m., I watch one episode of a series or read a book. Around 9:30 p.m., I prepare for the next day by checking my schedule and choosing my clothes. Eventually, around 10:30 or 11 p.m., I brush my teeth, turn off the lights, and go to bed. By that time, I feel relaxed and ready to sleep.
That was very clear and natural. I love how you used all the time expressions and transitions.
Yes, expressions like later on, eventually, and around 7 p.m. make the story flow smoothly.
Let's quickly review some useful expressions. We used wind down, which means to relax slowly after a busy day.
Scroll through my phone, moving your finger on the screen to look at social media or messages.
Clean up, meaning wash dishes and tidy your space.
Hang out, which means spend relaxed time with someone.
And turn off the lights, something we do before sleeping.
These phrases are very common in daily life and easy to use.
Now, we want to encourage you. Try describing your own evening routine out loud.
Speak slowly and clearly. Start with, I get home at 6 p.m., then I cook dinner.
Don't worry about mistakes, they are a part of learning.
Keep sentences simple, and step by step, you'll improve.
Let's talk about productive evenings versus lazy evenings.
Which type do you usually have?
It depends. Some evenings I cook, clean up, prepare for tomorrow, and maybe read a book.
And when you feel tired?
Then I just sit on the sofa, watch videos, and relax. Sometimes I call it a day early.
That's a good expression. Call it a day, meaning stop working or being active.
Yes, rest is important.
I sometimes feel stressed when I get home. Then I take a short walk after dinner. Even 15 minutes helps me feel calm.
That's healthy. I sometimes stretch before bed.
What about screen time?
I try to put my phone away around 10 p.m. Using it too much can disturb sleep.
A calm evening routine definitely helps sleep better.
Now, we want to hear from you. What does your evening routine look like?
What do you usually do after dinner?
Do you relax or stay productive?
Write your answers in the comments and practice describing your routine in English.
Thank you so much for spending your evening with us.
We hope this episode helps you speak more confidently about your daily life.
Don't forget to subscribe to English with Iman.
Like this video and share it with someone learning English.
Keep practicing and keep improving your English.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.